Hi parents, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick School Pathways tutorial with you all. So once you log into your School Pathways, this is the student portal that you will see. You're going to have assignments and grades up in this top corner, and this is really all you're going to need. You're going to have all of the classes that your student is enrolled in right here. If you want to upload a Power Learning Goal at the end of your 2-week work period, you're going to click View Assignments. And this will open up all of the modules you can upload into for the semester. So my first upload, I would obviously go to Module 1, and then my second would be Module 2. You can always check the dates if you're not sure. So to upload a Power Learning Goal, you're going to click this green plus sign, and then once you're here, you can click it again and then go out and choose your file. So every file needs to be named according to the Power Learning Goal you're accomplishing and what subject. So for math, it's going to be MA, whatever number Power Learning Goal you're doing. So if I was doing Math Power Learning Goal 1, my file would be named MA1. So for math, you're going to need to name it MA1. Let's say language arts, that's going to need to be LA1. Science, we name those SC1. And then social studies, I can't type, is going to be SS1. So that's kind of the naming system that we do. So here I have an example of my Power Learning Goals for Language Arts Kindergarten. Just so you're aware, if you wanted to select Power Learning Goal 1, you only need to select one bullet point. You do not need to focus on all three to accomplish that Power Learning Goal. So if you were just going to do one bullet point, you would still just name it Language Arts or LA1. And you may notice that there are not enough Power Learning Goals to upload a new Power Learning Goal in every module. And that's okay. If there isn't 16 Power Learning Goals, then you're just going to double back and do a few multiple times. So whatever you feel like your student needs to work on a little bit more, you're just going to double back and do that one. But please hit every Power Learning Goal at least once. So now that we have kind of gone over the naming system and how to select your Power Learning Goals, once you do upload your file, choose your file, you're just going to click Send Message, and that will submit your formative or authentic assessment. Now we're back into the module page, and if you wanted to check to make sure that something uploaded, you can always click on the module and there'll be messages under them. So here you can see my student uploaded Language Arts Power Learning Goal 7, and they named it A because it was the first time that they did it. And then I also am able to comment on the submissions while I'm grading, and those comments can be found here as well. So it's pretty simple. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. This is mostly for the Power Learning Goal parents, but if you're doing an online curriculum as well, you can always just go up here into assignments and grades and see what their grades are doing. It'll be tracked here. Please be aware though that some online curriculums are more up to date on your true pacing and your true grades. School Pathways only pulls online curriculum grades every week or two. So sometimes if you get on here and you see that it's a lot further behind than on your actual online curriculum login, that's totally normal. So if you're doing online curriculum, you actually may want to look at your online pacing and grades before you would look at School Pathways. I hope that all makes sense, and like I said, if you have any questions, please just let me know. Thank you.